dissidents, all who's left around you can't be the chief without a VP. Resonance, bounce a couple words off. I'll be Dick, I'll be Janie.
Mission accomplished. Your words got me crying so loud it's obnoxious. I'm glad that I called you last night when you told me it's alright. I think that I bought it. I've been through a lot and you listen to all of it. When you're going through the same, hope you know you can call on me. The child left behind, hope we're learning from all of this. It's been 4 long years, you got 4 more to count on me. You were there when it started, you'll be there when it's all done. I'll be there if you ever need to call someone. If home's something that you make, hope you're part of it. When I got a daughter, you'll be the godfather. You're my blood brother, more than a VP. They see the Oval Office, you see the real me. When you need anything, you can ring me. They take me out, hope you know you got the big scene. Growing up, didn't have many friends of my own, so the ones that I got, I made sure to keep close. You're the home that I built, you're the family I chose. You took me down roads I was too scared to roam alone. Now I'm free anywhere I choose to go. Found peace in my soul, creating love, and that's come with the honor of knowing the other side of the phone.
Dissidents, all who's left around you can't be the chief without a VP. Resonance, bounce a couple words off. I'll be Dick, I'll be